Today we are going to have hors d'oeuvres. You know when you receive visitors and guests in your house?
Remember. Before the pandemic, guests, parties, the game, dinner.
You always want to serve something before the meal starts. So let's try. Let's try this baguette with cheese, pears, gorgonzola cheese, and honey. So we are going to assemble this and put in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes, then we serve. So also we will have the option to do with any jam you like. This one I like orange marmalade. So let's start. We're gonna first start turning on the oven at 375. Then, by the time we finish assembling, the oven will be hot to shove in there. To start stirring a little bit of cream on the gorgonzola cheese. I love gorgonzola cheese for salads, for a lot of things. So we are going to put gorgonzola cheese with pears. It goes very well. You know, gorgonzola is a very aged cheese. So we are making a little paste here with cream, heavy cream, so we can spread on the French baguette. We are cutting the French baguette in 1/2 inch. We're going to cut now the pears in very thin slices this way. So we are going to assemble like this. We're going to put gorgonzola cheese like this, and also we're going to use another cheese that is the Brie. So we are assembling this like this, two pieces or one big piece, and put some honey. All right, we are putting the baking sheet. There's no need to grease it, okay? So now we're going to use the Brie cheese. We just put it very thin slices. And we're gonna get another spoon to put some of the orange marmalade between or on top. The Brie also with the pears. Okay, you just put here. So there you go. Let's do 2 more with the Brie and 1 with the gorgonzola. You see why I use a little cream, so the gorgonzola would be creamy to spread easier. Your guests would love that. So we're gonna go in the oven now for 20 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes, and enjoy. In the meantime, you talk to your guests and serve some drinks and wait for the hors d'oeuvres. Come with me, I have a secret to tell you. Hello, that's the secret. NalaniBotanics.com. Nalani cacao butter. Use this every night before bed. In the morning, your skin will love it. There you go, guys. Look at this beauty. Very hot. Look at this beauty. You're going to love this, guys. Now, look at this. Enjoy. See the crunchiness? Delicious. Enjoy. Happy festivities.